friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to share with you all a quick fabric haul. I picked up some fabrics from my favorite store, local store to shop for. Apparel fabric, SR Harris. I did some sneak peeks of some of these fabrics in shorts at the end of 2024. And I'm finally getting around to sharing the fabric in video before I cut into some of this stuff. I got a new machine for my 53rd birthday. I treated myself to a new machine. I'm going to do an unboxing video of that after this. I plan on playing with this baby all weekend long. And so, yeah, I want to go ahead and show you some of the fabric because I'm going to be using some of this fabric this weekend as I test out the new machine. So, yeah, let's get into this SR fabric haul. Yes, I made what I'm wearing. Fabric also from SR Harris. I shared it already in a haul, and a pattern review is coming on these two pieces as well soon. So I have so much to edit for you guys. I always say that. It's true. It's so much easier to like sew and create and record. And I need to really start scheduling and editing time so I can share some of this inspiration with you all. So anyway, let's get into the fabric haul because I'm anxious to open up my new machine. Okay, friends, so this first fabric that I got is a wool cashmere blend. It's absolutely beautiful. It's kind of a lightweight fabric. It's a suiting weight fabric. I plan on making some slacks with it. I will see how much I have. I gotta look back at the receipt. I got just whatever was left on it. I think it was like 3.5 yards or so. So depending on the pant pattern that I use, if I have enough left over, I was thinking like a little vest would be cute to pair with the trousers. So we'll see. I gotta look for a pattern that I want to use for that. But it's really a gorgeous, it's like a charcoal. And it's kind of hard to pick up, but it has kind of this, not really a heather, but the threads that are used in the weaving are not all the same color. So it's not a flat charcoal. Really pretty, very soft. And then next are these two Minky fabrics. These are Luxe Minkies. They are such great quality. Very thick and cozy, very soft, not thick and stiff, really drapey. And so I got these to make, well, I'm not sure what I'm going to make. I'm going to make something. I originally had one idea, but then I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about something else now. So we'll see. You'll see what I make with it. But I love these little Minky furs. Really nice. Next is this gorgeous, gorgeous wool. I love the color combination. It's actually a navy blue and not black, but taupe and shades of red. Just really, really classic and gorgeous. So love that. This huge houndstooth print fabric is just so nice. The color is gorgeous. Another wool blend. Look at that. It's so, so cool. So this was just love at the distance. I just ran over and grabbed that bolt because I just loved it. So I'm not even sure which side I would use. I would probably use this side. You could use either side. This is great for something that's like unlined where you like roll up the cuffs. That's probably what I'm going to do. Just a simple little jacket, unstructured jacket. I'll probably make, yeah, like an unstructured jacket that I can, you know, the inside will show and I can roll up the cuffs and it'll still be cute on the inside. But yeah, I love that. Then this here, this is actually what I went back to get that first when I went to shop initially. I had gotten a piece of this as off the remnant table when I was checking out one day. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go back and get more of that. So I checked the one store that I usually go to and they didn't have it. And then when I was out and about, actually, I don't know, I was coming from somewhere and I was in the area where their second store is, and I'm usually not on that side of town. And so that's where all these fabrics are from, actually, the other store. So it was fun to shop there again. This is my second time going there. And so, yeah, this is just beautiful. This is what I went back for. This is planned for a coat. And again, the color scheme was just really just got me this classic plaid. It's just beautiful. The fabric is nice and thick. Again, I can do this unlined, unstructured, because on the inside it will look just as cool. So I have a couple patterns in mind. I might record a sew along. We'll see. The sew alongs don't really, I don't know. It takes a lot of time to record and then they don't get watched much. So I might just sew my things in peace and just get back to just doing kind of pattern reviews for you guys. That's what you seem to enjoy watching. Next up are these two silks. I felt like I shared these before, but I had these with this fabric to record the video before I cut them out. So I'm not sure. Maybe you've seen these before. I apologize. But these are two 100% silk fabrics, Liberty of London's. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm so pleased that they are carrying these now. There were probably like 6 more prints that I want to get. This one here, look at that. 100% silk. This is the Stately Bouquet from Liberty. So yeah, they're so pretty. Let me see what the name, if this has anything printed on itself, which it does. So this one here is called Revival. Y'all know this one is my favorite. Look at those colors. Look at the color palette. Look at the color palette. It's just, this is very me. I love it. All right, next I'm going to pull out the fabrics that I'm going to be using with my new machine that I got. So these are, I bought a couple of these. I think I bought 2 colorways before and I already shared them. But they carry these wool jersey knits, which are very hard to find. And when you do, they're sometimes just very expensive. And so these deals are just incredible. The fabrics are gorgeous and they have just some gorgeous colors. So let's look here. This is kind of a terracotta camel kind of color. Really gorgeous. And then the green is just beautiful. Then I got the dark brown. I got this kind of, it's not really lavender, light purple. And then this reddish orange color. So this is like the beginnings of like a little colorful mix and match wardrobe already. You know, with some basic, even that, like that wool. Let me pull that back out. This wool that I got for pants. And so you can see here, this is already like a little color palette situation forming. If I use this gray cashmere wool for pants, as I plan to, I mean, I could pair any of these tops with the gray pants, right? I do need more solids. I have prints that incorporate all these colors in some kind of way. And then look at this print that I found. Look at this print, how it ties in pretty much all the colors. I mean, the only color that doesn't look like it's truly there is the purple, as the pale lavender. Well, nope, I'm wrong. See, it's right there. So this print has all of these colors in it, and it looks great with the charcoal gray. So that has my mind kind of going now. Full disclosure, I'm probably going to go back and get more of this fabric. I got this fabric. I got enough to make a dress. But then I saw these other ones. So this is from the original. This is this piece, and then these 2 silks are from the big SR Harris that I usually go to. And then I've shared, you know, me shopping in that store. These are all from the other store. And so I got this separate from all of these. And now I feel like I'm going to go back and get some more of this if they have it. Because yeah, now I feel like I want to make the dress, but I might want to make a top or something else. I don't know. I need to sit down with some patterns and like look at my receipt to see how much I got of each of these and figure something out. But I just think I was so thrilled when I saw this. And again, I probably have other things that I could throw in to mix and match in here. So I am going to go ahead this weekend and start sewing up these because like I said, I want to unbox this machine and I want to test it out. And then I want to use it to sew up these fabrics. And then I think what I'm going to do based on that is maybe I have a couple things I need to finish up for real. Then I feel like I need to go ahead and play around with these and see if I can plan out some kind of mini mix and match collection to just be fun. I don't know. I think of these collections and they just grow and grow and grow. And it's like I never get the full collection done. And so I just have pieces and then I wear the pieces and then I forget to share with y'all. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, that's it for today. Let me get going so I can get this new machine unboxed. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and record that unboxing right now. So yes, I'm going to have on the same clothes, y'all. All right, bye.